Hi there, my name is Yagana. Thinking about studying in Adelaide like me? You're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know step by step. So let's get started. You'll need a student visa subclass 500 to study in Australia. This visa lets you enroll in a course, stay for the duration of your course, and work up to 48 hours per fortnight or unlimited hours during your study break. A fortnight is a period of 14 days starting on a Monday. Apply online through the Department of Home Affairs website. The application includes a genuine student requirement to prove your main reason for coming is to study. You answer questions about your circumstances, course choice, and study history. Make sure you have all of your documents ready: passport, confirmation of enrollment, proof of financial capacity, and overseas student health cover. We'll go through these components now. Your confirmation of enrollment is proof that you're enrolled at an educational institution in Adelaide. You'll receive it after you accept your offer and pay your deposit. You'll need to upload your COE when you apply for your visa. Make sure that your course start date aligns with the visa processing time to avoid any delays. Next, the Overseas Student Health Cover, or OSHC, to cover your medical expenses during your stay. This is a requirement for your visa. OSHC covers things like hospital stays, doctor visits, and some prescription medication while you're in Australia. Make sure you compare options to find the best fit for your needs and budget. You can check out some of the top providers on our website. Education agents can assist you with choosing the right course, preparing for English tests, and even finding accommodation. They also help you understand visa conditions and explore post-study work options. Check our website to find an education agent. This will help make your journey much smoother. Now, let's talk money. You'll need to cover your tuition fees, living costs, and travel expenses. Adelaide is one of the more affordable student cities in Australia, so your budget can stretch a lot further here. You'll also need to prove that you have the minimum required funds to meet the financial capacity requirements. We can check these on our website. Remember, part-time work opportunities are available to help you support your stay. International students can work up to 48 hours per fortnight during the academic term and unlimited hours during the scheduled breaks. Depending on your nationality, you might need to pass an English test. The International English Language Testing System, IELTS, Pearson Test of English, PTE, Cambridge Assessment English, CAE, and Occupational English Test, OET, are all accepted. Check with your chosen institution for their specific requirements. Some institutions may also offer English language preparation courses to help you meet the required scores. Make sure you use these resources to give yourself the best chance at success. Understanding the academic calendar and structure is important. In Australia, institutions may follow a semester or trimester system. Semesters typically have 2 main periods of study, while trimesters divide the year into 3 shorter periods. Most institutions offer 3 intakes. February and July are the major ones, with a less popular intake in November. Knowing the academic schedule helps you plan your study load, breaks, and even part-time work. That's it. You're all set to start your study journey in Adelaide. Now you know what documents you need, where to find resources, and how to manage everything from visas to health cover. Make sure you're well prepared, book your flights, and get ready for an incredible experience. Good luck, and we can't wait to welcome you to our beautiful city.